Where's that boy GD at? He's late. Got 15 minutes till market open. All right. What are you guys watching today? Anything good? Any good setups? Anybody in the Zoom? Market break and retest. First time we're here, Brandon. Do you use a similar strategy? No. Mine's very different. Setting up the chart now. It's like NQ, it does have a good setup. It's just a higher time frame setup. And we need to break this this previous high. Hold on. Where's my 3-day? There it is. So we do have this 3-day squeeze setup, and we are holding the 21 EMA here. We tried to break out last week, right? But now we're coming back into it, so we have to get above last week's high, and then if we can do that, it should be pretty much a straight shot back to all-time highs. So that's what I would really like to see. We do have the, what is it? The tariff news on Wednesday. It was supposed to be Friday, but now it's Wednesday. Again, they're going to be ruling if the tariffs were legal, which that's pretty big. But yeah. That will be Wednesday. So I would not be surprised if we chop more. Hopefully not. Hopefully we actually start to get good setups, but would not be surprised. There we go. What's up, Steve? I do really like silver and gold, though. They were super strong in the overnight sessions, so see if we can get some continuation out of it. No. I pitched the idea to Apex, though, so hopefully they listened. See if we have any demands on GC. Just tap that demand for GC, actually. Already pushed about 8 points off of it, so never mind. Yeah. That 4599.5 to 600 was a pretty big demand for GC, but we're bouncing already. Same thing on silver. Had a 2-hour demand. It's bouncing right now, that 84.25. Again, good morning, everybody on YouTube. If you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button. We got 40 of you in here so far and only 10 likes, so a quarter of you have hit that like button. Again, it helps a lot with the YouTube algo. So find the like button, click it. It'd be greatly appreciated. Again, there's 40 of you in here and only 10 likes. So, do you know about the bank's balance story? No, I don't. But again, make sure to hit that like button. Good morning, everybody. All right. 10 minutes. Where's GD? Bro was complaining last week that I wasn't on time, and here he is, not on time. Watching Tesla downside, okay. I liked AMD downside if the market was weak this week. We have some gaps to fill, but we have to get below. It's kind of far away. 194.20 for me to be interested. $194.20 for AMD. What else you guys watching today? Strictly MNQ. Okay. I'm also adding target equity right off the rip. Adding more. I like target for the long term. Banks for the downside, okay. I hope we get some volatility because goddamn, market's still been pretty choppy. Just sucks that we literally have no key levels in the market right now. Not near any. Five minutes. Oh, now you want to join? Finally, goddamn. Allow. Where's G? There you are. Sup, buddy? You hear me? Hello? You're late, sir. You were mad because I wasn't here by 7:10 last week. I got on early just for you.
It's alright. I was making some breakfast, dude.
It's alright. Need some bangers today. Need like a fat winning trade.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir. We still have that Trump news on Wednesday. So I feel like the market might be pretty choppy. Hopefully not. Again, if you guys could in the YouTube, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. We got 65 of you in here and only 23 likes, so about a third of you have hit that like button. So again, take 2 seconds, hit it. It'd be greatly appreciated. And good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning so far. Hopefully everybody had an amazing weekend. But let's lock in. Let's crush it. A+ setups only. And hopefully the market can give us something good today. But again, make sure you guys hit that like button. Two minutes. What are you watching, GD? Nice. Good morning, Ivan. Good morning, Ivan, Jonathan, the Deca, Justin, Stockfather, Miss K, Neil, Caden, G Strand.
You guys speak big blood.
What?
The market high. Right, you know. Retest. I don't like them down like that. But let's target like yesterday or previous days, like swing or trade the highs, 5 minute highs, so like they break it out, retest, look for a push up towards like 693, 40. See the high I did, which is 695, but it's not, that's pretty far up there.
Fire.
Maybe we sweep it and not I can see what it looks like right now. We're breaking out pretty fast.
Let's get it. Need a banger today. And maybe today will be the day that CVS finally breaks out. That would be phenomenal. Sup, San Wongsta? I think it's how you say it. San Wongsta.
Nice moves. That was watch this last week. Oh yeah, it's breaking out this week. I think team. Yeah, not bad. Not bad.
See if we get a retest.
Yes, this battle does look good.
Very strong candle off the rip.
Dude, if I don't stop getting these spam calls, bro. Holy shit.
That's why you get two phones. Put one on DND and only give the one phone number to like select people. And then you don't get spam calls on it.
Whenever you want to see a break in retest, you know, it just candles like this.
Morning, everybody tapping into the YouTube. How's everybody doing? Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 100 of you in here, 37 likes. So again, if you guys could hit that like button, it helps a lot with the algo. Obviously, the goal is hopefully find a good setup today and make you guys money. So again, doing this for free. All I ask is for you guys to hit that like button. That's it. Yep, market's off to the races to start the day. But hopefully you can give us some. Fingers crossed. Hopefully we can get this pullback. We can watch the fibs. Maybe not. Wait till we start pulling back. I was hoping that'd be the top so we can take that fib. Still got this cough, man. Even after like a week and a half. No, the market's been open for 5 minutes. No trade.
It's gonna be very hard to find. The EMAs are all the way down 6.23. It's a $2 pullback.
Come on, market. Hopefully we don't do the same shit that we did last week. Because last week was annoying. Trust me, I've tried everything Speed Corp. Everything possible.
Anyone took this EOSE equity with me, we're up around 20%.
I don't think we're getting a pullback, GD. See what news we have today. Nothing. We have CPI tomorrow, though. I mean, gold and silver already pulled back, but it pulled below the level that I was watching. So I don't care about it. What's the pullback? Come on. Pretty much all I'm looking for right now is a pullback on this NQ. While we're chilling also, you guys need accounts, take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify. Make sure to use discount code Brandon. It'll get you the best possible discount codes. Apex currently 80% off, TBT 40% off, no activation fee. And then Tradeify, I think it's 35% off. Again, use code Brandon, all caps. Key level could stem from a lot of things: supply, demand, Fibonacci, support, resistance, pre-market highs, pre-market lows. You know, however you identify levels that are key within the market. See some of you just hopping in here. Good morning, everybody. What do you think about this ADMA GD? We pull back to it. QQQ.
I like it. Yeah.
So
That was $1 extended from pre-market high.
it's really only the level I like right now. See if we can pull back to like 25,800 on NQ, everybody. ES is already at new highs. I mean, T Animal, if you've gone this whole year without taking any trades, that's discipline. Do I see a 4-hour supply zone? Potentially. I'd watch the body at 923. But it's just been choppy. That's the only issue. Nice. So far, we got a micro pullback on NQ. Yeah, you can use key psychological levels like, you know, 7,000, 7,100, SPX intervals of 100, 700, 750, 800 on Spire, QQQ, you know, stuff like that. But like I said, there's a lot of different ways that you can identify key levels. So again, make sure you guys hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 120 of you in here and only 50 likes. So less than half of you have hit that like button. So again, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And again, hopefully we can find a nice trade today. Hopefully. See if we can get this pullback now. Again, I'm watching 25,800.
It's the only spot. So I'll watch it.
Bet.
623.
Got the fibs with the ADMA there. I don't like how that ADMA moved up. Ideally still 800, but we'll see where the ADMA is if we come down here. Come on. A little bit more for us.
That's pretty good.
What does?
That's all. That might be amazing. Yes.
Does look pretty strong. Come on, NQ, a little more for us. I don't, knowing this market, probably not.
That's
With this market, there is a very slim chance. I mean, no trades. You gotta listen. You gotta listen because I'm not reading the chat the whole time. I gotta watch the charts too and look for trades. You gotta listen. I'm looking for a pullback to 800. So what does that mean? I'm waiting for price to come down to it. I'm looking for reaction to go long. So no, I am not in any trades. I want price to pull back. Come on.
just nuked. Yeah, that was a really good move. I actually like that. Legit. We reclaimed back well the 80s. We retested. Just crazy. There's contracts I was looking at them too. They were at 750 something. See if the OS is always plus 20% on equity.
I don't think we're getting it, everyone. Bruh. Why does it do this shit? Every time. Every time it gets close, it's like, nope.
Oh,
Oh, GD. I don't know. Can't do nothing. That setup's invalid. We're touching where that potential 4-hour supply is, but highly doubt that we take any reject. Yep. Same thing every time, Mike. Again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. We got over 120 of you in here and only 54 likes. So less than half of you have hit that like button now. Again, take 2 seconds. Hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated, especially because I'm live trading on here for completely free for you guys. All I ask in return is that you guys hit that like button. That's all I want. We're also at that 7,000 psychological level for ES. I'll be back in a second. All right, I'm back. What's up?
I can't believe I missed that entry, dude.
Bro, it's the same shit every day with this market. Every day. We get close. Not enough for an early entry. And then we just confirm. We go. And by the time it does that, it's too late. We're trying to reject off of that level, but again, it's not my favorite supply zone. Candle's not super big. We're still chopping in the 4 hour range. So it's not like a very direct move for a supply zone. It could work, but it's just not my favorite.
That's something new. That's involved.
Right. Probably about to break above it.
Just I have the previous high was just 628 or 627.3. Very good.
Still patiently waiting, everybody. We're about to tap SPX previous day close. See what happens there.
Just absolutely nuking. We are about to fill this gap, but it'll be pretty good. Gap down 101. 694.
Could potentially reject off of this previous day close. We have a decent amount of sellers at the close too. Still like a fib whenever we pull back. I'd be interested in Tesla if it pulls back to like 444.5 or like 445. Getting pretty bored, everybody. This common theme in the market this year for some reason. We get a setup, we get close, boom, it's gone without confirmation at all. And then typically it makes a big move and then we sit there and chop. So we're about to see if this happens again. Right now, I'm just looking to see if we can get a pullback for a higher low on ES. Potential longs. We are rejecting off that previous close for SPX and ES. I personally want my fib down at 83 or even 80, because then we have VWAP there, but we'll see. Are we finally gonna get a pullback, GD? Or is it just gonna be a micro pullback? Literally. We do have CPI tomorrow as well. While we're chilling, remember everybody in YouTube, if you guys need accounts, Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, make sure to use discount code Brandon. Apex is currently 80% off, TPT is 40% off, no activation fee, and then Tradeify is 35% off. Again, all of them use code Brandon, all caps. It'll get you the best possible discount. But hopefully we can get this pullback. So like 84. 84 to 80. 80, yeah. 84 to 80. I do indeed make swing trading content. Everybody doing good, Team Bull? You guys take any trades yet? You took QQQ. Anybody else? Nothing from you. Took GC, nothing. You're short. You're in spy puts. You're doom scrolling. Good. You had a BP for the long term. Nice. Hoping we don't do what we've been doing all last week. Big move, chop for the rest of the day. So. Being patient, that's good. Fitting the theme. Doesn't give entries, makes a big move, and then chops. Bruh. Let's see what silver's doing. I just wish it didn't break below my demand. I mean, it looks good for more upside, but we broke below my demand level before we started to bounce back up, which sucks. GC and silver both look good for upside. Where'd GD go?
Right.
Sup?
What's up?
Bored.
There's Tesla. Nothing on QQQ.
Come on, do something. You're doing good, YouTube. Everybody vibing. Waiting, staying patient. Waiting for the market to give us an A+ setup, which we currently have not gotten at all. As of now, it's looking like a no trade kind of day for me. As of now, that could change, but it's looking highly likely. For long-term equity, like if I'm just holding it for the long term, I just buy it.
Bro. I don't know what to do.
Literally. Literally.
If we just all the way higher to high, sweep it, maybe see some downside. But I don't know, like, I don't have anything that I actually like. At all. On either SPY or QQQ.
Every time ES pops up towards that 7,000, they sell it off. So I'd like to actually get this pullback. I'm gonna go get water though. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Bro, I just need a banger. It's been so long, I don't even remember what it feels like. Oh, sitting here talking to you, I'm still muted. I said I need a banger. I don't even remember what it feels like anymore, GD. I'm a wash trader.
It's gonna be you're gonna see what this is. Around there. Just shake your rest of the work makes sense. Maybe kids and you can go to bed, but best thing you could have done, I was on it. Honestly, was even my watches to me. I'm not sure why. I think I just didn't look at the chart, but you should take it once, price breaks down to 57.60. Play your stop loss alone. That's it.
Such a boring market, everybody. So boring. I was muted in the Zoom. That's what I meant. What's today, the 12th? Damn, we're already 12 days into the new year. That's crazy. Nope. I hold till stop or take profit or the setup invalidates. But I will say its constant failure to break 80 is pissing me off. Market hasn't been giving us any pullbacks. Naveen, I think is how you say it. None at all. Looks like they want to try to push this NQ right now. Best thing we can do is just sit on our hands. Don't force trades because that's how you start blowing accounts.
True. Sometimes I'll do far out expirations. The only thing is that they're expensive or whatever majority. But yeah, absolutely. Sometimes I'll buy over 3 months out. It's more like a long-term investment at that point.
Yeah, while we're chilling, if you guys need accounts, TPT, Tradify, Apex, make sure to use discount code Brandon. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. TPT, Tradify, and Apex. And actually, also, if you guys are not in my free Telegram group, make sure you guys join it. I'm going to drop a link in here right now. Join the free Telegram group. If this page is going to load. Come on. Free Telegram. There we go. And that's the free Telegram link right there. Come join it. Free 99. I feel like the ZS and NQ want to go higher, but the feeling and there being an A+ setup is two very different things.
Yeah.
About to just full port and walk away. Google is ripping. Did we get some new demands? Let's see. Indeed we did. Pretty far away. It's another 30 points, but we'll see.
Trillion market capitalization for the first time. Google.
Hell yeah.
It's crazy.
I have a feeling this is probably just going to grind higher. Gonna give the market another 30 minutes to see if it can give me a setup. If not, I'm walking away. Whoops. Uh-oh, Jadon texted me about the market. Did Jadon take an L today?
Uh,
Honestly, a lot of traders have been struggling this month. Like big traders. So if you guys are break even, slightly profitable, even not blowing accounts, you're still doing fucking fantastic. You guys got questions on YouTube while we're chilling? Anybody? Feel free to ask. Any questions at all? I'd be a little cautious about those numbers, Mike. Offshore broker, yup. Never shows withdrawals. Works with the offshore broker. Think we can all put two and two together here.
I mean, he's all affiliates from offshore broker to everything else. But it's so much money.
I don't believe so, no.
If he is or if he isn't. Facts are facts. He's probably making veterans say, say six figures easy a month promoting agents.
Okay, Q, no. Love you too. What's up with gold? Just pushing. Of course, Robert. Bro, I'm gonna go insane with this market. Watch a 5-minute or a 2-minute time frame for my entries. We actually had a decent amount of people tap in today too. Remember, just keep joining these live streams, everybody. It's been slow, a slow start to the year, but I can guarantee you it's going to pick up soon. Peace out, Drew. Does anybody in Team Bull have questions while we're just chilling here, watching the market do literally nothing?
I have make sure that you join tomorrow's class, 11 a.m. Eastern time.
11. I'm gonna join. I will. I need to learn. Hold on, are we about to pull back? Is this real life? We're losing the ADMA. Still want to watch 84 and then like 79 if we do end up pulling back. Come on. Just a big ass drop. That's all I want. Market's closed next Monday. Hell yeah. User. Yeah, I'm okay. No, I have no reason to short. Come on, to the fib you go.
6.
Google sold off all of that. Made a new all-time high. I was like, nah.
We are kind of flying here on SPY. 5 minute, but resting on that 10 EMA. Like, see if it wants to consolidate and hold. Or what it wants to do. Or drop lower, you know, towards 20.
Again, remember, if you guys need any accounts, TPT, Apex, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount codes. Again, Apex, TPT, Tradeify, code Brandon. Apex currently 80% off, TPT 40% off, no activation fee, Tradeify 35% off. I'm literally gonna go insane with this market. It's just been so boring. So boring. So hard to get entries too. Okay. What's up, dog? Contemplating jumping off a bridge. What about you? Give me a back and buy workout. Yes, sir. Bro, I also hate the new year because the gym is so packed right now. Everybody's with the what is it? The new year, new me. Bro, I was really hoping we were gonna get a pullback. I don't think that's happening.
My basement gym. Considering it.
Dallas Goddard, get.
Oh my god. Sorry, I'm doom scrolling. I said sorry, I'm doom scrolling. I'm deaf. What can I say?
Yeah. I want to make a home gym. I need to make it like nice. Like I'm going all in. Not just buying plates.
The paint is pretty much done in the basement, GD. Yes, sir. I'll send you a picture today.
Yeah, show me, but that's it. I don't have it or anything like. It's not finished.
Tesla's pulling.
Sports rack. So, just like that.
We get the fibs finally. Let's see you make some thumbnails. Send them to me on Instagram. I know Vanquish is going to add swing trading, but I don't think they have it yet.
It's the downside move. I really like it.
Sometime today, a pullback would be nice. I just sent something in the Telegram. If you guys are in there, you should be able to see it now. If you haven't joined the Telegram yet, here's the link right here. Again, it's a free Telegram to join. $3.99. Just join it. Or have a potential supply at 25923.5, which is what we've been rejecting. But that's it. Surprised we're not even squeezing. Nope, we have taken no trades today. Feel like they want to push this ES, to be honest. Marcus got me for like 10 more minutes. Watching to see how they hold this ADMA.
just not high probability.
Very slow. Like I said, I think they're gonna push it. It's just it's too choppy. They're gonna give that high a day now. Watch. Yep. It's gonna do it.
Gonna fly now. I'm feeling we're moving now. Consolidation, not flag. I just don't. It's just not enough for me to trade that. To be honest, so, at this point, I'm pretty happy with not taking any trades.
Yeah. Think I'm gonna call it here. There's nothing to take. Like I said, I had a feeling we were gonna push into that high, but it wasn't super high probability. The reward wasn't the best. So yeah.
Probably chill for a little longer. So, if you guys want to stay a little bit.
Let me make you host. Alright, bet. I gotta hop on a meeting in 5 minutes anyway, so let's hopefully catch a setup tomorrow, everybody. You guys continue to trade safe, trade smart. I'll talk to everybody then. Peace. All right, YouTube. I'm out of here. No trades. All zeros today. Tough market. Just gotta stay super patient. Hopefully tomorrow we can actually get something. We have CPI, so fingers crossed. Everybody have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys then. Peace.